very simple strategy to understand. Okay, all I want you to do in this video is to give me your listening ear and make sure you stick to the video to the very end. Okay, I'll be showing you a very interesting way you can be taking 4 candles from the boom and crash market without the fear of spike. Okay, with this strategy you can grow any account size. All right, I'll be showing you a very tricky way in which you can use and get 4 candles out of the market without any fear of spike. Okay, now before I will do that, I'm going to first of all share with you the indicator setting of this wonderful strategy. Okay, now first thing I will do here is to click on this icon, right, this one right here. After that, I will click on this one, and then I will be searching for the moving average. Right, so after searching, I'll click on it. Now you can see the parameters. Right, now here the period is 35, the shift is 0, the method is simple, the apply to is close. Under the style we have 4 pixel and the color here is red. Right, but you can use any color of your choice. Okay, so after that you have to click on save. Now the next indicator here is the stochastic oscillator. Right, now you have to click on this icon again. In order to add the stochastic oscillator, you click on it. Right, now you can see the parameters here. Now the K period is 30, the D period is 3, the slow-in is 3, the price yield is low-high, the method is simple. Now under the style we have the main and the signal. Right, now the main we have 2 pixel here, the color is the default setting. Right, this setting here are just the default setting. Okay, so you make it 2 pixel, 2 pixel, the color green and red. Right, now after that we have the levels, which is this one right here. You click on it and then you change the setting to 90, 10 and 50. Right, the pixel here is 2. Right, now you can see the description here. Right, you have to describe this as buy or sell point. All right, okay, now the pixel, as I earlier said, is 2, the color is black. Right, so after that you go back and then you click on save. Right, now you can see the description here, the buy or sell point. All right, now this point, this is where you'll be taking your entry from. All right, now you can see that we are on boom. Right, so we are going to be taking sell trades only. So whenever you are on crash, you are going to be taking buy trades. All right, so you'll be doing the opposite. All right, now the strategy works on boom 1000 and crash 1000. Okay, these are the two I've tested it on and it's working perfectly. All right, so these are the two I also recommend you test it on. Okay, now with that out of the way, I'll be sharing with you guys how the strategy works. Okay, now it's a very simple strategy to understand. Okay, now usually whenever price gets to the overbought level, you are required to sell. Right, but in this case it's going to be different. Okay, so whenever price gets to the overbought level, which is the 90 level, this is just the confirmation number 1. Okay, don't take any trades yet. All right, you are going to wait for price, right, to cross below the red on the moving average. All right, which is your confirmation number 2. Or yeah, which is your confirmation number 2. All right, so now whenever that crossing happens, you are going to be watching out for the indicator window. You are going to be looking at the stochastic red and green line here. So it's when the stochastic line gets to the buy or sell point here and cross below it a little bit that you are going to be taking 4 candles. Okay, so immediately you see that it has crossed, you go in immediately for your 4 candles. All right, and then you have to hold till whenever the 4 candle finish counting, then you exit the market. Okay, you don't need to be greedy with this strategy. All right, it works very perfectly if you obey the condition I've given. Okay, now this is another example again. You can see it got to the overbought level here. You wait for it to cross below the red moving average on the main chart, and whenever it crosses it, you monitor the indicator window. Whenever you see that it has crossed below the 50 point here, you are to go in for your 4 candles and then you exit. Okay, stick to 4 candles and you will not be caught with any spike. Okay, it's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. Now you can see how good this is working here. You can see here the crossing happen, it cross below, you take your 4 candles and you are going to be good to go. All right, you will be safe with this strategy if you stick to the examples I've given. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you a live example of how this will play out. Okay, I'm going to be taking trade and I'll be showing you guys how it will play out. All right, so let's watch and see how this will go. All right, so as you can see, guys, just like I've said before, you are going to allow it to cross the red 35 moving average. All right, so once it crosses it, that is your confirmation number 1. Now the second thing you have to wait for is that you are going to wait for it to cross below the buy or sell point, all right, which is the 50 level here on the indicator window. So once you see that crossing, you have to go in for 4 candles, right? Now as you can see, now the condition has been met, so I'm just going to go in for 4 candles right now. Okay, so I'll take my sell here now. So as you can see, guys, I've just sold, so I'm going to wait for my 4 candles and then I'll be out of the market. All right, so as you can see, guys, you see how the strategy and the trade went. I took my 4 candles successfully without any spike, and now I'm out of the trade. Okay, so you too also, you can do this. All right, if you follow the rules and conditions I've given in this video, all right, you are going to be able to do this. Okay, so this is a very simple strategy. You make sure you apply the same method and you are going to be good to go. Okay, this is a very good strategy, so I recommend you go and backtest it on your demo account first. All right, don't just take my words for it. You go and backtest the strategy for yourself, see if it's working. All right, so whenever you have finished backtesting and you see that it's good for you, you can use it to trade. All right, you see that it's good, it's something that you can use to trade, then that is when you go in with your real money. Okay, that's when you can put in your hard-earned money and trade with it. All right, so don't just take my word for it. All right, make sure you do the testing yourself. Okay, so I think that's going to be all for this video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video, and before I go, I want those of you who are just coming across my channel to make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you're going to be notified immediately. Okay, thanks for watching. Silver out.